Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go over Tesla. As you can see, I have a bunch of lines already drawn up, but let me go and get rid of a couple of them. And so what I did was I drew a Fibonacci retracement that was from the September of last year because that's when the downtrend really started it. So as you can see, we are closer to the 50% retracement. And I'm going to tell you guys why that's going to be a very challenging area to go past. Um, so as you can see, even though we are going up right now, this is what I consider as a weak high. So if the prices does go up, it is likely going to shoot past this high and then go down further, right? So this is the weak high. And then you have a bunch of weak highs over here right now. So if the strength of this move keeps up, prices are likely to go ahead and touch these. Likely will take out this area right here, which is already is doing it. The next area that is likely to take out is the 200 area, which is also a weak high. And then you also have weak lows over here, weak lows over here. Um, this one, let me go ahead and, oops, sorry about that. So you have weak high, weak high, weak low, uh, weak low, and then you have a strong high. So what I did was, if you are going to play this trade, what I would recommend, well, this video, there's no recommendation in this video. This is what I planning to do is take a short position around this area, around 204, 205, because it's going to be very challenging for the stock to go past it. Um, Especially if you come to these area around here, around 220, you have a very strong high followed by a weak low. So it is possible that the price can shoot past the 215 level and get close to the 221 area. So let me go ahead and highlight that area too as well. So if you want to just scale up your short position, you can do that. You know, maybe one contract here, or whatever that fits you. You know, this video, like I said, I'm not recommending to do anything. This is what I plan to do. I will likely scale up from here, take a short position here, take a short position here. That's what I would do. Because as you see, you have a lot of price actions that are here, right? Basically, you have a lot of shorts here. So what they're likely are going to do is they're probably are going to likely defend their position. And when that happens, you're going to see prices fall back dramatically. So before then, I do expect maybe it is very possible for Tesla to close um, to get close around 208 by Friday this week, right? If that is the case, um, then what can we expect? Let me go ahead and do, because as you see, there's a lot of zigzags in here, the prices just keep climbing up with a lot of strength, you know? But let me see if I could draw some uh, trend-based Fibonacci extension for you guys. If we do a, if we do a Fibonacci trend-based extension from here to here, as you see, Tesla will approach a 3.618 around 202, and then 4.4 spot 27 around 218. And those are the areas that I just highlighted where you have really strong price actions, a lot of shorts, right? Meaning they probably are going to likely defend their position. And let me go ahead and pull up the so yeah, you are already past this area. So the most, you have a lot of price action here, a lot of price action here, a lot of price action here, right? So what's gonna happen, right? Let me go ahead and remove and then let's go ahead and try different things. What if we start from here and then go this way? 2.272 is around 202, 203, 204, which is the area I just mentioned that it's likely for a good short position right here, right? Especially right now. I mean, you can really scale up your short position right now because you're gonna run into a lot of strong, um, I would say strong lows, right? So this is a 30-minute chart. So 30-minute chart will give you a different story. You have a strong low, which will become a support. I mean resistance. So as you see right here, price is really fighting through that resistance. If it does go through, if if this does go through, you're gonna run into a lot of strong lows, right? Here's another one. This is strong lows because the price gap up and as you see, um, came down, held as a support, and the prices went back up. So this is going to be very challenging area for the stock to move up. And at best, in my opinion, Tesla won't reach anything further than these areas right here, 213 to about 200. So, you know, it's if today we will see today what happens. If tomorrow, if somehow if Tesla gap up tomorrow, if it opens up above this um, resistance, then I will be targeting around these areas right here, around 208, right? 208, because likely that as you see, we have a weak low, so that's why the price is really bouncing up and around right now here is because it's stuck in between a very strong resistance and a weak high. So if the price does go through, then next likely that your next challenge will be going through this area around 205, right? So you really want to, I mean, this is what I plan to do for myself. I am going to be scaling up my short position starting from these levels. So if the price does go past this resistance, I will be looking to short around 205 and then scale up and then maybe two and then if this strong not let's see if this is strong. Yeah, so this is a strong high. So likely what I will be planning to do is scale up my shorts from 205 to 209 and 207 because as as I mentioned, Tesla is going to run into a lot of resistance, and those levels that I just mentioned lands right on the 50% retracement. So yes, I do plan to scale up my shorts around here, starting from 205 uh, to about 209. So that is my take on Tesla. One last thing that I do want to mention is that you have lots of volume that are traded around these areas. So if the prices does take these levels out, the next challenging area would be this. So I will be watching because you're going to have a lot of resistance This is because these are all considered as strong lows. So it's going to be very hard to pass this. If it does, you're still going to be challenged with these strong lows in between. So maybe at best, I think Tesla may have maybe 5, 6% more to go from here. But then I see a very strong reverse where it it will likely fill this gap around here. So you take a short position here, that's going to be a very nice gain. And let it fill this gap because um, it's likely going to fill this gap because you have a very weak lows here. So yeah, this is my take on Tesla, and I'll talk to you guys later.